Chris Logan here, Walnut Ridge Family RV. Here we are with another Feature Friday and a 2022 Cougar 22 MLS. I think you'll see it's got a lot of space and a lot going for it for a short trailer. So first of all, we've got a painted front cap, 30-gallon LP tanks, power tongue jack, and with the power tongue jack, it's got electric stabilizers front and back. Take a look in there. Really good pass-through storage. There's a battery disconnect on the other side and some other things. As you can see, the awning runs most of the length of the trailer. Of course, you have your spare tire back here. It does have a little accessory hitch, hold up to 300 pounds or a bike rack or something like that. Also, if you wanted to have the awning out and put a little table here or something and set a TV here, there's outlets there and the coax cables there. So, E-rated tires, so they'll do well with this trailer. Solid surface steps. Let's go on in, Greer. Okay, with all the Cougar travel trailers, half-ton travel trailers, we have a king-size bed. This particular bedroom has a front window. There is a shade that goes down over that, so that's good. You've got, you know, the cabinets only go halfway down. I always like that, and I hear people say, so they're not banging their arms into it. They can flail them that way, a little cubby for books or phones. Outlets, as well as charging ports there as well. I mean, a lot of people have CPAP machines, so you could do that there as well. Nice booth dinette. Some good storage up here. Here are the controls. It has what's called an in-command control system. Just power that up. Now, I didn't say anything, but I powered that up. This doesn't even have a battery in it. It comes with 200-watt solar panel on the top. All of the Cougars, well, actually all the Keystone products have the 200 solar package on it as standard feature. So, you know, if we had a battery, it keeps your battery charged. There's a lot of great reasons to have solar. Got the television here. Pulls out nicely. You could be sitting on the couch or laying in bed, as well as a lot of good storage back there as well. So, here's your DVD, sound system, entertainment center, whatever you want to call it. What do they call those, Greer?
Theater seats?
Yeah, it's got theater seats there that are real nice. Open up, stretch out, watch the television that way. We've got a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Nice thing about with the solar, when there's a battery on board, it'll just keep this perpetually going all the time. It doesn't have to be plugged in, anything like that. This is kind of a rear kitchen, as you can see, so it gives some extra counter space here. This oven now, they have a, if you've had a camper in the past, you had to put your head in there with a torch to get it lit. These now have a button you just push, and kind of like on your grill to light it, like the stove and the oven. More counter space up here, nice 50-50 sink. And Greer, if you'll take a look in the bathroom, look, there we are. Greer's getting married soon, but not to me. Sorry. Sorry, Greer. There's a full-size shower there. And a lot of counter space, too, within the bathroom. So nice size bathroom. Again, we're in the 2022 Cougar 22 MLS. Thank you.